Kris Aquino, may bagong update. Nilinaw ang current status ng kanyang love life. Nagbigay ng bagong update ang Queen of All Media, Kris Aquino, sa kalagayan ng kanyang kalusugan. Ayon kay Kris, nagpapasalamat siya at nakakaya ng kanyang katawan ang side effects ng mga gamot at biological injectable na ibinibigay sa kanya sa tulong ng dasal ng kanyang mga taga-suporta. Dagdag pa ni Kris na sana'y gumaling na siya at sana'y payagan siya ng mga doktor na makauwi ng Pilipinas. Ibinalita din ni Kris na nakalipat na sila sa inuupahang bahay na malapit sa dagat at malapit din sa isa sa kanyang mga doctors. Nilinaw din ni Kris ang kasalukuyang status ng kanyang puso at sinabi sa ngayon ay wala siyang karelasyon. Sa huli, nagpasalamat siya sa lahat ng sumusuporta at nagdarasal para sa kanya at sa kanyang pamilya. Thank you for your continued prayers. I don't have my complete blood panel results yet, but gumanda my inflammatory numbers, in particular my C-reactive protein and my E sedimentation rate. Hopefully, in the next few days, I'll have my LGE, LGG, LGM, and ANA results. Wag na natin discuss my CBC. As always, I'm still very anemic. It's been a problem even before my autoimmune conditions were diagnosed. I don't know what good I did, but I know I'm surviving all the side effects of methotrexate and my biological injectable, because God is listening to all your prayers for my healing. #faith. Praying more that in 18 to 20 months, I'll reach remission, and after 6 months, I'll have my doctor's clearances, and we can go home. I miss my sisters, my cousins, my Philippine doctors, my close friends, and of course, all of you. It's already been 16 months. We're already settled in our rental home. Location-wise, this is my long wish for Vibe. We have a pool in the back with an unobstructed view of the blue sea and with this super fresh, cool sea breeze. Plus, we're only 10 minutes away from one of my doctors. P.S. My sisters urged me to make my current status very clear. I am not in a relationship. We no longer communicate, and my sons and I feel more peaceful. No details because I value my privacy and respect his, and I chose to only give the facts that should be addressed. Again, thank you for your compassion to keep me and my family in your thoughts and prayers. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.